Hi guys, it's Rob here, and I'm going to walk you guys through the weekly trading plans that we just did. I like to give you guys stuff that's current and updated so you can see for yourself what's going on with the markets here and what the forecast plan was and how things went. So AUD weekly forecast, and I'm going to try to run through this pretty quickly. So here's what we have. We have a take profit area that was down here. This was the actually the start of the trade week. No moves yet, so when we press play, it'll be from Sunday moving forward. And all we have here, this is actually written on the chart, and then you can confirm the same things down here. We expected a pullback followed by a bearish continuation. These little red lines right here are areas that we believe that price would retrace to, and then we include one, the most likely level of retracement. In this case, here's what took place. So price did in fact pull back up, came up to the level of retracement, and from that point enter your position and take profit here. So this forecast was completed rather quickly. Let's go to the next one, which was the Great Britain pound US dollars. By the way, members, our members, you don't just get the trading plan, we also notify you, we send you an email when to get into this in particular short trade or long, whatever it is on that particular pair. So you have the plan in the beginning of the week, and then we follow up with how to trade that particular plan. So okay, so the next one here is the Great Britain pound USD. Same thing. Beginning of the week, we expected that price was going to rise up, most likely level of retracement, and then come down into this level here, take profit. If that in fact did happen, it was 172 pips, and that was a 1.73 risk to reward ratio. And so let's hit play here. So you notice that it's exactly what took place. Price rose up into our level of retracement and then came back down here into our profit zone, and trade was closed out. The next one here was the USD CAD. If it feels like loading. Here, let's just go over here real quick. We'll do this one first. Okay, this is the USD JPY. This was a long-term trade. This was a 2.48 risk to reward ratio, 627 pip trade. This was a while ago now, 2 months ago, on a 4-hour view. So we expected that price was going to bounce off the top of the channel, which it did, pierced it, targeted back a couple more times at the top of the channel, and continued all the way down, ended up hitting our target, closing out. This is a Euro USD trade, same thing. We're looking to buy lows here with the target area up here. That trade was, of course, successful. The next one, this was one that we just did. We don't ordinarily do USD Troy, but I had a request, so we expected that after this move, price was going to pull down into this area here or here. Any one of these were pullback zones, but this is where we expected it to go. And then this was the target. And then let me pull back in this a little bit. Okay, so you notice that price did, next candle that you see, came back down into that same zone that we mentioned, and then rose back up and hit its target. So that, again, was a successful completed trade. Let's see if we can get this guy to load. Refresh him here. Okay, this was the USD CAD. Same thing. We have two particular targets here. This one was... it almost went exactly where we said here on the retracement. It never made its way back down, but this one pulled back down to this level and came up and took one target, took both targets. So that was just current too. That was 9.9. So if you guys think that this stuff is of value, then please go ahead and join today. You can come over to the website at any time. Website address is learnforexsignals.com. Take a look around the website. Take a look at our results summaries, information about me on the bottom, and you know, this is one of those things that you know, it's a no BS type game. Being that everything that I do, that I put it out there for you. You can see it live. You can see the value in it, and if you think that it is of value, once again, join up with me today. Talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.